Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on syncing to the furthest page read on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From inside a book, tap the top portion of the page to bring up the options. Then tap the three dots button in the top right corner. Choose Sync to Furthest Page Read from the options. Your Kindle will now sync to the furthest page read on your account. So if you have been reading the book on another device, you should now be on the most recent page that you have read. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.